Is your Samsung phone completely silent? No ringtone, no media sound, no notification alert? Don't worry. Today I will show you to fix Samsung sound not working problems. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, press the volume up button and make sure all volume, media, ringtone and system are turned up. Now go to settings, tap sound and vibration and turn off mute or silent mode. Then go to volume and increase all. Sometimes your phone is connected to Bluetooth headphones or a speaker. Tap connection, tap Bluetooth and turn it off. Then test your sound again. Restarting fix most sound glitches. Press and hold the power button, tap restart and wait for your phone to reboot. Then go to settings, software updates, download and install. Installing the latest update can fix audio bugs. If nothing works, back up your data and go to settings, general management, go to reset, factory data reset. If this video helped you fix your Samsung sound, that's all. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.